promise to grow with you in mind and spirit and never stop learning together. Always be open and honest with you and cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
The love I have in my heart is only for you. I am grateful to be standing here with you before our friends, our family, and God. I'm excited to share every day of my life with you by my side. I love you always.
Michele, do you take Gina to be your spouse? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her forevermore?
I do.
And Gina, do you take Michele to be your spouse? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her forevermore?
I do.
I would not wish any companion in the world but you. Gina and Michele, I hope you both feel that way for the rest of your lives. By the power vested in me, it is my honor and delight to declare you married. Go forth, live each day to the fullest. You may seal this declaration with a kiss.
I'd like to make a toast to this beautiful couple here tonight. I'm just very happy and honored to be part of your epic night. I feel so thankful.
May every new day be another chance to grow as one. May you always share more blessings than burdens, more laughter than tears, and more strength than you will ever need. May your life together be a good one.
You're important to us, and our lives are enriched because you're in it. And we all would like to congratulate you. Congratulations.